If your car window or door is malfunctioning, don't worry. The SmartLink CN device in my hand can help you connect with technical experts remotely, breaking the geographical limitations in auto repair. The entire process is efficient and convenient. No waiting, no need to take your car to a repair shop. It brings you a completely new auto repair experience. Today's case is very detailed, so watch closely. Today, we're working on a McLaren 570S where the windows are malfunctioning or unresponsive due to power outage or battery drain. We will perform window calibration for both left and right doors. After using the CN device to publish the remote request, we connect the BN device to the network and pair it with the connection code. Next, connect the official McLaren diagnostic tool to the BN device to perform a full vehicle quick test. First, access the left and right doors modules, clear the fault codes, and then perform Windows calibration in the left door sequence. After completing the calibration for the left door, follow the same steps for the right door. Once finished, we enter the sequence to program the vehicle VIN. After successful programming, perform window calibration again. On this interface, click Start, and all windows will automatically calibrate by moving up and down. At this stage, the left window will begin moving automatically. Make sure that nothing is obstructing the window during calibration. After successful calibration, repeat the same process on the right side, and just like that, we will perfectly resolve the door and window calibration issue for this McLaren supercar using Launch C and remote tool. Isn't it simple? Remember, Launch SmartLink is the way to go. Used by nearly 110,000 repair shops across 90 countries, solving more than 3.3 million car repair problems worldwide. With Launch SmartLink's auto repair problems are easily solved.